Natural ways to reduce wrinkles and fine lines at home. Tips to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Wrinkles and fine lines are the results of the natural aging process. You can try out these natural remedies to reduce unwanted wrinkles on your face. Tap to see. Hydrate more. Water intake is the most natural way to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on your skin. This will keep your skin moist and flushes out all the toxins. Use coconut oil. Coconut oil has many properties that will smoothen your skin and give you younger looking skin. Reduce UV light exposure. Avoid UV rays as much as you can. Sun rays can damage the protective layer of the skin. You can use a hat, sunscreen, or cloth if you are exposed to the sun. Intake of more vitamin C. You can add more vitamin C enriched food to your diet. Vitamin C has collagen that will improve the quality of your skin. Face massage. Face massage with a suitable cream can improve blood flow to the skin, which reduces your wrinkles and fine line. Use cucumber slices on the eyes for a cooling effect. We hope these tips will help you.
Please subscribe for more healthy, wealthy facts for you.